Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in this video we will walk through one of the most important steps in any machine learning project, handling missing data and categorical features, and we will use Titanic Dataset. So without further, let's dive right in. So let us see what will we do first. So we will load Titanic dataset from CSV file and we will handle missing values using various techniques, and we will encode categorical data for a machine learning, and we will save the clean dataset to a new CSV file. So first of all, you will import Pandas library, and using that object here, using this object we can call the method read CSV, and we will pass the file name I have already downloaded in that folder where the program is. So let us see the program here. So pandas, and also I have imported already impute classes related to impute classes, so pandas and both. So let us here just copy it and paste here, and see that there is G gap. It will not print anything because I haven't used any print method here, because I have just copy it and paste it. So that's why this error is coming. This usually comes if you copy and paste from PDF. So there will not be any error and there will not be any output because there is no print method. And here import pandas is PD, there is also no gap. So here already I have imported. Let us see again. This time there will not be error. Again here underscore, there must be underscore. Let us see now. Now there is no error here, but it hasn't printed anything also. So here again it will load the Titanic dataset using pd.readCSV method. PD is object. Dataset is stored in a pandas data frame. Now we will use df.head. Head is pandas method and it prints 5 rows, first 5 rows. So here just I am going to use. Now there must not be error. Now errors were in starting and it happens. So let us see, it will print 5 rows. So you can say that 5 rows. In Titanic dataset there are 12 columns, 11 independent features and 1 dependent feature, and dependent one is survived. Means based on this all the data, how many means which patient was survived. So 0 means that patient was not survived, 1 means that patient was survived. So this is, you can label or class. Now Here use df.head to preview the first 5 rows of the dataset, and this helps in understanding the data structure and columns. This also helps. Now we will check is null, means there is missing values. So df dot is null, and how many? So you will use sum to check for missing values, and it helps in identify columns with incomplete data. So let us copy and here just paste it here, right? So you will get one more output. Okay, there might be error here because I have given indentation and Control L. I have cleared output screen. Let us see that error will come and you have to handle. See that here. First 5 rows are thereafter. In age there are 177 missing values, cabin 687, and embarked 2 missing values, and we have to handle them. So here I am filling age with median of that column, and we are going to drop these two values. So let us copy it and add in your code here. Here again you will see that there is space, so just remove it. Now run it. So again this apostrophe we have to change, otherwise it will throw error. Now it must not, there should not be error. So here let us see. You can see that there is not error, right? Now here fill missing age values with the median of the column, means we are handling missing values, and drop rows with missing values in embarked. There was only 2 missing values in embarked, so it is deleted. 2 rows are deleted where embarked has not value. Now let us again print here. And see that okay, there would be error because there is indentation. Without coming error, again I am going to run it. So you can see that age and embarked, there are no missing values here because we have handled here. Now verify, we have verified, and this ensures there are no remaining missing values. Now again describe we can use. Now for the gender, just we will map male to 0 and female to 1 here. So we are also learning how to handle categorical features. So here again it will throw error because I have copied from PDF. So just change it. Here change it. Okay, it is throwing error. Okay, I have another file where I have written, so I can also check from there. So I am using this line exactly here and just pasting. Now let us see. Okay, now there is not error. Okay, so male value would be 0 and female would be 1 for the gender or sex column. So we have transformed categorical variable into numerical. Now let us write that clean data into CSV file. So df.2csv cleaned titanic.csv, here index false. So come here, just write here and run it. So to CSV, here there should be underscore. Here again you can see that this one we have to change, thereafter it will work. Okay, no closing single comma. Okay, here again it will require underscore. So again just I have run it. Let us see whether there is error or not. No error. So this file is made, and in this file there is no missing values, no categorical values, and that data you can use for training machine learning model. So hope you understood. For more resources you can visit PostNetwork Academy website, YouTube channel, Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and also GitHub repository. That code would be available there. So hope you understood. You will support me. Thanks for watching.